Welcome to Mandyland, a magical playground for creative souls.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. So I'm making a sign to put on the front of my face painting kit that explains who I am, what I do, so that when people come up to my kit, they can just read everything about me. So that will be one side. And then if you scroll up here, this is going to be the other side. So it's all these QR codes that I've generated that people can just quickly scan, and they can, like, for instance, book me for an event for face painting. They can scan the face paint gallery to see the different face paint choices that I offer. They can shop art and stickers. They can join my newsletter. They can watch me on YouTube. And then this one's for people to be able to, like, either pay me a tip or to pay for stickers if they come up to a booth when I'm at a market. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print these out on sticker paper, and then I'm going to stick them to my face painting kit. This is my kit, and then this is the sticker paper that's going to have these designs on it, and it's going to look amazing. So that way when I open it up, that's gonna be on the front when people walk by my station. This is where I'm making the QR codes. It's a QR code generator. It's super easy. You just click on that. And then what you do is you drop in a website right there. So for instance, I'm gonna go to my website up here, and I'm gonna go to my shop. And then I'm gonna click on the hyperlink up here to my shop. I'm gonna copy and paste it. And then I'm going to come over to the QR code. I'm going to drop it in there, and then what it's doing is it is going to ask me which one of these codes I want. So I'm gonna pick this one, and then when I'm done that, I'm going to scroll up and I'm gonna say download, and then it's gonna say we're downloading, and then it's going to populate your QR code, and it's gonna come up at some point. See, it says right here, your QR code's being generated. There it is. And now I can name it shop QR code, save it to my desktop, boom. Then what I do is I dragged it into Canva, and I plopped it right in one of these frames that I laid down right here, shop, so that when people scan it, boom, it'll go straight to my website. Now what we're gonna do is we're actually going to print it. So I'm gonna open it up, come over here to file, we're gonna go down to print. It should automatically populate my printer. This is going to be on this is gonna be on matte paper actually. So we wanna change all the settings, and then that is what it's gonna print out to look like. We want to fill the entire paper, and then we want one thing, and then we're gonna print it. All right, then it'll come over here, and here's my printer. There's the stick. This is actually sticker paper because I want it to stick onto my face painting kit. So hopefully that prints out really nice. It is coming out beautifully. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other page and hit print. Make sure we fill the entire and print. Come over here, and then we should see it start printing. There it goes. This one is coming out so good as well. To make sure that it stays really nice when we stick it to my kit, I have to laminate it, which is what I did with this right here. So I printed this out. This is obviously my Venmo, YouTube, directly to the stickers, and this sticks right onto my kit, and this has laminate on it so I can wash it. So when I'm face painting, parents are just standing there and they can be like, oh, I'll pay you. Oh, your YouTube channel. Oh, I'll check out your stickers. Okay, this is how they came out. And now we're gonna take them over to get laminate. I just got these in the mail today. I've never used them. They're like really sticky. Can you feel that? So I'm gonna stick this on there because obviously it's gonna be very sticky and it's gonna keep it in place. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take off this top label. And the reason why you wanna do that is because you wanna place it to make sure that it covers the whole thing, like so. Okay, so that has covered the whole thing. Underneath is the thing. All right, I don't like how these got bubbled up right there. So I'm gonna print them all out all over again. I don't really want to. Round number 2, print, and then we will try it again. All right, rather than try to show you how to laminate this, I'm just gonna do it on a sturdy surface and not videotape it, because this process of putting the self-laminate on is really daunting because you don't want it to bubble. So I'm gonna do that on my own without recording it. Printed them out again. I'm gonna let them dry. I heard on a YouTube video that someone said that there's gases that come off of, I don't know, the ink or something. So you should let them dry for like a day or so before you laminate it. So I'm gonna do that. In the meantime, what I decided to do was to take the other one that had some like bubbles and just put it as the first page in my sticker book. So this is right now how I'm displaying my stickers. I'll probably find another system soon, but for now, this is my sticker book with my business card right here. Okay, these have been laminated and cut, and they are now ready to go on the back of my face painting kit. So I'm gonna measure it and mark it off with lipstick. There's my little markings with the lipstick. Okay, there's my little marking point. Yes, I know I need to paint my nails. I will do that later. Little markings, and now we're going to put them on my face painting kit. Drum roll. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh God, you got to get this right the first time. Okay, so we peel it back and place it correctly on the markings. You get one shot. This reminds me of that 8 Mile song. You get one shot, one opportunity. Will you take it? This is the point of no return. Oh my God, I'm already in love with it. Oh my goodness. There's like a little decal thing on the face painting kit. I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna put it on there. Okay, now the next one. The next one. We're gonna pull back the stuff. Okay, line it up very, very, very carefully. Moment of truth. We want to overlap just a little bit. Oh God, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Don't fuck it up. For all the kids, cover your ears. Oh my God. I'm gonna stick that in there. I need a thing to like kind of do the thing here. I think I'll just cut it off that corner. But anyway, oh my God. Doing a happy dance. Happy dance. Here, let me turn this. Happy dance. Happy dance. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ta-da! When people walk up to my booth, they're gonna see everything about me. They can just read it, and then they can do all this. It's kind of a little bit low though. I wish I would have put it a little bit higher. Oh well, because they're gonna have to like go down this, whatever. And then they're gonna look over here, and then we're gonna have all of this stuff and my business cards, and it's just, the real test is going to be when I actually bring it to the market this weekend. I cannot wait, but that will be in another video. So join me for that video where I actually am live with my new banner, my new kit. If you've not seen the unboxing of my banner, then click on the video of me looking at my Canva banner that I designed for the first time. Look at that video, and I'll be taking that banner and this newly designed kit to my booth this weekend to try it out and to see how people respond. And I can't wait. And we get to create because we were created
to create by the creator that created us, that loves us. I hope you enjoyed this video.